Hey guys, I made an interesting discovery today on my 1984 Toyota van. I purchased this van really cheaply and wanted to get it going as quickly as possible, but I noticed that it had a bit of a rat problem. They had created a nest that looked like insulation or cotton, so I vacuumed that up and noticed that I had a bunch of wires that had been chewed through. It looked like they got to my main wire harness, which sucks because I have to figure out how to fix it. And that's the point of all these videos, to go ahead and document this journey that I'm going to now undertake. This van has a crank no start issue, and I believe that the reason for that is because the rat chewed through my distributor spark plug wire. So I'm gonna have to get that fixed pretty soon. And as you can see down to the ground. You weren't able to do that before due to the rat's nest, but we'll get things sorted out pretty soon.